And if you have home insurance through Farmers Insurance, there's a possibility they won't renew your policy in 2024.
SNN's Marco Lamano says another insurance company is taking up those policies, but their renewal insurance might give you sticker shock. And here are some choices if you are affected.
We are farmers. Bum, 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 bum.
Last summer, Farmers Insurance announced it was not going to renew around 30% of its total business in Florida. This move would affect about 100,000 customers in the state. However, if you're one of the customers not being renewed by Farmers, that doesn't mean you're not being renewed at all.
Slide approached Farmers after this announcement and proposed that they would be willing to take on these policies with what's called a guaranteed renewal.
This means if you have home insurance through Farmers and they don't renew you, you'll get a 120-day written notice, and Slide will offer a renewal quote. But be warned, Slide has admitted that quote has a pricey downside.
Most likely, their rate is going to be higher.
And it may be dramatically higher.
Say it's double the price. Wow, I have to really pay that? I have no choice? No, you do have choice.
One choice is Citizens, the state's insurance of last resort. Based on new reforms by the Florida legislature, if a private quote is within 20% of your Citizens quote, you must take the private quote. For example, if your Citizens quote was $3,000 and your private quote was $3,500, you couldn't take the Citizens one. But if Citizens offered you $3,000 and the lowest quote you could find was $4,000, then you could stick with Citizens since private insurance in that example was more than 20% higher. The second choice you have is private insurance, which may give you better luck than recent years.
The good news is 5 new companies are going to be writing in the state of Florida starting in 2024. They've been approved by the state insurance regulator.
Friedlander says reforms by the state legislature have made Florida look more profitable for insurance companies, meaning more choices for you. But if you're looking for price relief in Florida, that likely won't come in 2024. Why? Florida's insurance market has been volatile for years, combined with roofing scams, higher reinsurance costs, and supply chain issues affecting the state's market.
I know consumers are looking for relief, but unfortunately, it's going to take several years to clean up that mess.
Reporting from Sarasota, Marco Lamano, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.